The first aspect we will be talking about out of the Pick 6 will be describe aspects of the sun at different times of the year. Here we see the different solstices that the sun goes through. Each solstice will place the sun at a different time, length from the earth, and an arc showing how far away it is. The intensity of sunlight striking the ground depends on the sun's angle in the sky. When the sun is at a lower angle, the same amount of energy is spread over a larger area of ground, so the ground is heated less. The angles shown here are at noon and 41 degrees north. This picture shows the different latitudes the sun can be in. The example here is the Arctic and Antarctic circles. They mark up the maximum reach of the sun's rays at the solstice. This can explain why some parts reach so much sun rays at so much time. The next part we will be talking about is draw a geometric model of the universe. Here is my drawing. It's not completely a drawing. I did a little bit of tracing because I'm not an expert drawer. But here it shows the Earth in the center and everything else revolving around the Earth, when in reality we know everything revolves around the sun. For the third part, I will describe a circumpolar star. A circumpolar star is a star as viewed from a given latitude on Earth that sets below the horizon due to its apparent proximity to one of the celestial poles. The constellation Pisces is easiest to see in October or November, or in late evenings in September. Since the stars in this constellation are relatively dim, these are about the only possible times you will be able to see this constellation. The synodic month, or the lunar month, is longer than a sidereal month. A sidereal month lasts 27.322 days, while a synodic month lasts 29.531 days. The laws of orbit. All planets move in elliptical orbits with the sun at one focus. The laws of periods. The square of the period of any planet proportional to the cube of Seminary's axis of orbit.